How to mute someone's story on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about muting someone's story on Facebook. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your Facebook or Facebook Lite application. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account and also make sure that the Facebook app is updated to its latest version. You can do it by opening your Play Store or App Store and searching for Facebook and updating it. Now, once you launch the application, go ahead and click on any story that is bothering you and you'd like to mute. Once you open their story, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen that is beside the cross icon. And once you do that, you will be given three different options in the bottom. That is unfollowing the specific person or page, muting them, or finding any support and reporting them. As we are looking to mute the individual, we are going to go ahead and tap on mute the specific individual's stories and stop seeing their stories on Facebook. Tap on it, then tap on mute, which is highlighted in blue color. You will stop seeing their story, but you will still follow them. So tap on mute, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. So that's all there is to it. This is how you can mute someone's story on Facebook. So if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.